Welcome to the edge of the world. This is the Mani Peninsula, the southernmost tip of mainland Greece, a land of wild beauty and stone towers. Nestled in the quiet harbor of Gerolimenas lies a legend, Kyrimai. This 19th century merchants complex is now an award-winning heritage hotel. Dating back to 1870, this elegantly restored property enjoys a countryside setting in Mani. As you step inside, you aren't just checking into a hotel. You are, in fact, stepping back in time. The walls are 3 feet thick, built to withstand pirates and the passage of time. It offers a historic atmosphere, creative Greek and international cuisine, and country-chic rooms with antique furniture. Every room is unique. The vintage-style guest rooms are fitted with custom-made anatomic bedding. The hotel offers rooms that will suit your style and budget. They are Superior Courtyard and Suite. A Greek breakfast is served on a wooden deck right on the sea. The pace here is slow. You can lose hours by the pool, listening to the waves crash against the rocks just feet away. The Kyrimai Hotel lies a few kilometers from the southernmost point of the Tainaro Peninsula, where the Ionian Sea meets the Aegean. Nearby attractions include a place called Vathia, a forest of stone towers clinging to a hilltop. It's the most famous ghost village in Greece, just 15 minutes away from the hotel. You can also head north to the Caves of Diros. It's an 11-million-year-old subterranean world of stalactites and crystal-clear underground rivers. The hotel is exceptionally well rated on all sites like Booking.com, TripAdvisor, and Agoda. Kyrimai is not just a hotel. It's a complete, soul-stirring experience. Are you ready for it?